guys, what's up? It's Kyle. Oh, you come Chicken Okay, you playing some Mcpe edition, Let's Play Survival, Chickenblock, and yeah, so in this episode, we're going to be trying new stuff. Oops, difficult to go back up. Put my camera right now. Oops, don't let me do that. Let's go here. Over here. Chop down you. Actually, we're going to need to flip the camera. Like, okay, I guess we're playing with this. So, how did this happen? What happened to your babies, cows? What's wrong with you? The sheep took the cow's baby. It's sad that the cows were stronger, better, faster. You guys know where that movie came from? I don't remember where it is. How did we? I don't understand what's going on today. Just don't. I just can't understand. Let's feed you and you. We need to make a baby, man. And keep it in your pen. Give me experience points. Let's go in here and put this over here. Actually, yeah, we should do that. Then what can we do? Put the sugar cane in there. And let's go over here. Oh yeah, I like this that we made it last time. Let's go check on our furnaces. Yeah, today let's make a furnace room. Make a furnace room today. Okay, so we have everything cooked. That's the reason we need a furnace room. Everything does not get cooked. Nothing in the chest. Okay, good. We have all of our armor on. Okay, good. We check on everything once in a while. We need to make another shovel because it's about to break. Let's go and make another chest room. So, oh, we have 60 pieces of iron. Pretty awesome. Let's go over here. Let's go. No, we have to go back here into our wood. Right here. I'm gonna take a lot of that. How big do you want a furnace room? Actually, let's not make it out of this. We just made that into plank for no reason. But let's make it out of cobblestone. This would be awesome. And then we can make it into a stone cutter. And this could be right here. To make it even. And we can make it into... We need to smelt these. Well, we need do we have any coal? Any coal in there? Surely we can't have run out of coal. Please tell me we did it. We ran out of coal. Oh man. I have to go mining again. Or actually we can just peek into here. This little cave section we covered up. No, creeper. Saw you at the corner of my eye. I don't think you can try and sneak up on me like that. That's right. Don't sneak up on me. So let's go mining. We need to find, there we go. Some nice, easy to get coal. Nice, easy, cheap, reliable coal. All this good stuff. And this, and this. Okay. I don't know, we got some more over here. There we go. That should cover us for a while. run back. Because it's nighttime already. Mobs are going to come after us. There we go. Block that up. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Well, we're gonna have to deal with that now. Forgot about we placed the oak sapling there. Grew into these edges again. We're gonna have to deal with this. Deal with it in the morning. Good night's sleep. After we cook up some of this stuff. Half in there, and some more in there. Put stone in here. And after these are finished cooking, we can go to sleep. And then melt the rest of this cobblestone. So when we wake up, we can make it into bricks. I want to make a furnace thing into bricks. Furnace thing into bricks. Go sleep. Let's go over here. So that stuff's cooking up. Okay, so let's go in here. We're gonna have to deal with this tree here. Okay, can we reach that? Nope. I'm gonna place this down. There's so much to get rid of. Turn up the brightness there. There we go. There we go. All the way to the edge. And one more. Here. And done. That's all good. Now come on, this stuff up. That tree has been taken care of. Okay, so grab the rest of the stone in here. Got some experience levels. Level 6. Did you guys keep your cow? Okay, good. Let's go over here to the stone cutter and make some bricks. Look awesome. And where should we put the furnace room? I'm thinking the opposite side of this, like right here. So then it's right along this path right here. Over this piece of glass, there, here. And how big do we want it? I guess we don't want it that big. Make it 1, 2, 3. One like this. Here. We don't need that many furnaces. I guess that's a good size. Okay, so it's like that. This is gonna be the furnace room. Put furnaces like along that wall and put some torches. Yeah. So we have 6 furnaces. Put it here, over there. Let's make another one of the paintings, which would be good. Harvest up some more of the sugar cane. Now let's plant tree saplings over here so it doesn't go into our house. One there, one there, one there. And over here. Plant one here, one here. Okay. Now let's continue over here. Let's get some more of this stone. And let's go over here. Let's go back to our chest room. Make some stone bricks. And this should be enough to finish it off, right? Like this. Actually we needed one more out. Right here. There we go. We're gonna have 8 furnaces along the back of that end wall. So then let's put it up one more. Let's build it all the way up. Build this like this. Let's make it 4 wide. Let's make it 3 tall. I mean 3. Okay. Go with this and this over here. Nope. Over here and up. Nope, right now blocks. Let's continue up here. Harvest up some more sugarcane while we're at it. Let's go over here. Open this door. Close it. Let's get some more cobblestone out, or stone. Let's go over here. Let's go put this stuff in the farm. Main stuff. Over here. Put it right here. And take this out. Put it here. 62 pieces. You can put this in the wood. The seeds can go over here. Wait, actually, I only need 1 seed. That's where the seeds went. They were in my inventory. Oh, we've been going for 11 minutes already. It's a long time. Okay, so let's finish off the house in this episode, and we can continue it in the next episode. But there's only 2 more days. Wait, did we? Not really. There's only 2 more days of uploading every single day, because high school's gonna start, which is bad. Let's get this stuff here. Made some stairs, which is interesting. We could use that for some stuff. And here, like this. And we can, now let's make it 4. We need that high ceiling. Living the high life. Now the tree is breaking down. And let's get some more of this stuff here. Let's take you out. Place just like 3 in there. 2 in there. Okay, let's get out here. Finish off the house and end off the episode. Dooby-doo. From here. Okay, let's go in here. Jump here and jump up here. Let's get these stone bricks. I'm going for 13 minutes already, but it's okay. Finish off the top here. Zip the rest of our bricks. And finish it out on top. If we could. And let's go here. Take this last piece. 1, 2. And that's it. That's gonna be the end of our stone house. That's the end of our furnace room. Go over here into our house. And that's enough the episode, guys. Hopefully you like, subscribe, all the good stuff. Hopefully you like, subscribe, and comment. And comment what you guys want to see with the stairs on our stone brick house. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.